Friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 1970 Ford Mustang Convertible. This is a nice car. I bought this car about 7 years ago from a friend out of a collection, and sold it to another friend, and he's had it the last 7 years. I just got the car back. Stayed here in Houston. It's been in Houston a long time. Always kept garage kept indoors. This car was restored like 15, 16 years ago. Older restoration. It's not a hot rod. Mechanically, it's got the 351. It's bone stock. It's got an Edelbrock carburetor on it, but other than that, it's bone stock. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission. Nice Magnum 500 wheels. It's triple black. The top is black. It looks brand new still. Power top goes up and down. I'll put it up here in a second. Nice car, no rust. It's a quiet car. It's not real loud. It's not a hot rod. Doesn't have a cam in it. Interior's really, really clean. These seats are replacements. These are not the factory seats. It does have factory decor and convenience package. That nice wood trim. Still looks in really good shape. Steering wheel's missing a piece of trim there. 4-speed, shifts great. It's got the aftermarket radio. No AC car. Clean under the hood. There's some shots on the website. It does have a shaker hood on it. That is not factory, of course. The hood pins you push down, twist. So it's got a couple little upgrades that are aftermarket, not factory. It looks real nice though. Nice shiny black paint. It's got competition suspension. Just a nice, fun car. Get in it, cruise it. Good driver car. It's not banged up. We just buffed it and paint corrected, and it really shined up nice. But if this is a good driver car, if somebody's looking for something that's reliable, all the lights and gauges work, you get in it, start it, drive it. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes, so it stops good too. Engine's nice and quiet. Just a real nice car to put in your collection or use it as a Sunday driver. Let's get in and turn it on here, put the top up. There we go. Top's going up. Go. And we would just put those down. All right. Let's see what the top looks like here. There you go. This is also a glass, bifold glass there too, so that's nice. It doesn't turn yellow and stuff. But you can tell how nice and quiet it is. Not going to overheat on you or anything like that in traffic. All right, so give us a call, text, email. We will get back to you quickly. We can do deals in any location remotely. It's very easy, and I can ship it to you anywhere in the 48 states. Get you some quotes. So really hope to hear from you guys soon, and go ahead and subscribe to us when you can. Have a good one.